HiWayCAD Smart Cutting. Although HiWayCAD is positioned in 3D animation, however, construction drawings must still follow the rules and adhere to two-dimensional elements. This video uses a floor-standing double-door cabinet as an example to illustrate. Click the button Two-Dimensional Engineering Drawing to navigate to the Two-Dimensional Construction Drawings page. The system default drawing is the International Standard A2 drawing. The tiles are automatically displayed in sequence. If the drawing layout is insufficient or empty, you should change to another drawing number. In this case, since the drawing is empty, a smaller size drawing is used, a 3. There are two buttons in the lower left corner of the drawing. One for exporting drawings as native PDF files, another one for smart optimized cropping. The automatically generated PDF file is output to the download folder, used for printing, archiving, and sharing. Here is the situation of opening a PDF file locally. Construction drawings are a larger topic and have their own special discussion. This video focuses on construction organization design. Intelligent optimization of cutting. Panel furniture is usually cut from a whole piece of purchased panel material. So, if there is no rigorous cutting plan, it may result in huge waste of costs. And artificially planning a perfect cutting plan. This is another extremely brain-burning and time-consuming devil project. So, let the computer do it. This kind of passing the buck conspiracy is the trick that humans should use. This application is designed based on this principle as a lazy bag. The number 2800/2070 is shown in the lower left corner of the drawing. Indicates the size of the original incoming board. After cutting, the unit plate is numbered to correspond to the 3D drawings. For example, B1, D1. Click on the PDF logo in the lower left corner. The cropped image will be output as a PDF disk file and stored in the local download folder. The significance of PDF files is that controlled laser cutting machine cut out several pieces at a time, even dozens of original plates.